also need to take some common sense steps that protect our rights, protect our children, protect officers in the line of duty by making it harder for dangerous criminals to get their hands on lethal weapons. Again, in my speech in May, I was very specific about how we make these determinations about potential lethal strikes, so I would refer you to that speech.
He rapidly organized his men into a skirmish line and, with indomitable courage, again led them forward into the lethal enemy fire.
Does that make you reconsider, as a few Democrats have suggested, providing lethal aid to Ukraine, given those troop movements?
Well, keep in mind that the Russian army is a lot bigger than the Ukrainian army. If we have a comparably lethal disease that is airborne, we have much bigger problems. Now, it is true that if, in fact, diplomacy fails, what I've asked my team to do is to look at all options. What other means can we put in place to change Mr. Putin's calculus? And the possibility of lethal defensive weapons is one of those options that's being examined. But
decision to completely lift the ban on lethal weapon sales to Vietnam, which is a clear proof that both countries have completely normalized the relations.
Our sailors serve on aircraft carriers that can go almost anywhere and submarines that move undetected. The largest and most lethal Navy in the world, on track to surpass 300 ships on the planet. Our Navy is the largest and most lethal. Our Navy is the largest and most lethal in the world, on track to surpass 300 ships.